I'm Pavani. So I am here to discuss about the geography's relation with physical science. So physical science means it's related to mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, and etc. How the geography is related with all these subjects. First, we are going to discuss four aspects in this. First is astronomy, mathematics, computer science, and geography. The second aspect is geology and geography. And the third aspect is physics, chemistry, and geography. And the fourth aspect is botany, zoology, and geography. First, let's discuss about the astronomy, mathematics, computer science, and geography. In that, astronomy, it is the study about the celestial bodies, including the stars, planets, satellites, their motion, and constellations, as well as the different kinds of phenomena occurring in the outer space. So this is the study about the astronomy, and all these can be, there is the measurements of satellites, the measurements of stars, and including solar panels. All these can be measured using the help of mathematics here. And mathematics plays a major role in all the places, and in geography it can be used to measure, as I said, the measuring of stars, the satellites, and the solar planets, panels, etc. everything. So mathematics is used to measure that. And next is, where is the computer science used? To collect the data, store the data, and give the data as an output to us. For example, development of modern cartography. So we know that cartography is nothing but the science of drawing maps. And GIS is nothing but global information system. So what the global information system gives us means, so for example, let us take Google. It gives us all the information related to, as we study about geography now, it gives all the information about the geography, gives information about the mountains, lands, etc. and everything, and the data is stored and it is analyzed and it is given as an output to us. So this is GSI, and the development of modern cartography and GSI is they are very much developed nowadays. Next is geology and geography. So geology is nothing but the study of rocks, types of distribution, and the study of rocks and its types of distribution. Next is the mineral content and petroleum. Geography is the study of distribution of exposed rocks. That is, exposed rocks means the rock has been exposed to all the types of climatic changes. And the next is interaction with climate and human activities. So how the climate and human activities have been interacted within other. So that has been discussed in geography. And the connection of these two forms are geomorphology, which is nothing but the study of landforms. So what the landforms is nothing but the different types of lands. So this is geology and geography, and the combination, it has been formed as geomorphology, which is to be remembered. And the next is the study of physics, chemistry, and geography. So physics of atmosphere studied under climatology. Physics of hydrosphere through oceanography. So we know hydro is nothing but water, so it is related to oceanography. And the next is the chemical contents of rocks, soil, surface, and groundwater, atmosphere. They are the interest of geography. And the next is botany, zoology, and geography. Botany, zoology are the study of plants and animals, and how it is related to geography. Various kinds of species on Earth's surface. So we have a n number of species in our Earth, and how this Earth species, that is how this flora and fauna are distributed in the different aspects. That is, different animals and different plants are adapted to different climatic conditions. For example, in the rainy seasons or in the place where the area is wet, ants will gather together, because ants have been adapted to the wet place and wet conditions or the cold climatic conditions. So these are different types of climatic conditions.
In fact, that is one indication. Actually, they are able to, our forefathers, they are able to predict, yes, based on the plants and animals. And their movement. So when the animals are climbing up. That indicates
there is a heavy rainfall.
There is a heavy raining.
And integration among these subjects form biogeography. So that is all about the geography relation with physical science. Thank you.